Guys, we are back at Muzzy Pheasant Farm in Corona, Michigan. Muddy again, not surprising. Not a lot of wind. I booked 2 dates today and then the 29th down here. Getting the last few runs of my training membership here. So trying to get that taken care of, get Arlo on some pheasant here before kind of wrap up the season, get him on some grouse again too. So with the training membership, you get 20 scratch birds on your membership. So not birds that they put out, birds that are in the fields already. So we don't have any birds put out specifically for us. We're just going to take a look and see what we find. So hopefully we come across some. Arlo's excited. He's going right for the road, I see. Hey, hey, come on. It's a happy puppy to be back out running though. So thanks for tuning in to Upland Days, and hopefully we'll bring you some content. Hey, good boy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there he jumped on him. Whoa. Whoa. The hell was that? Huh? What? Arlo, whoa! You know better. Arlo, okay. Okay. Easy. Go on. Okay. GoPro, start recording. Whoa. 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 Dead bird. Okay. Dead. Good boy. Good boy. You're okay. Leave it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Otto. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So one dead bird in one spot where a dead bird was. Beautiful points though. It's getting birdie again. And whoa. That looks a little bit more like it. Dead bird! Dead bird, Arlo! Find him, dead bird! Dead bird, find him! Dead bird, find him! Good boy! Bring him here! Fetch here! Fetch here, Arlo! Fetch here, Arlo. Arlo, fetch here. Come on. Bring him here. Bring him here, Arlo. Fetch here. Fetch here. Fetch here. Come on, bring him here. Dead bird, bring him here. Good boy. Man, we got to get fetching down, but God, was that a beautiful point, hey? There's one. Wow, that was perfect. Couldn't ask for a better point than that. And I didn't miss on the first shot. I always rust the first shot. Way behind it. Right straight in front of us. Arlo, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Good boy, come here. Arlo, here. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that sucks. He was just too low. I didn't trust it. No. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. That was funny. He was telling me right where it was with his eyes. You could see him just looking. Okay. 82 yards straight ahead of us. Whoa. 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 Easy. Whoa. Whoa. Dead bird. Good boy, Ardo. Come here. Bring him here, Ardo. Bring him here. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Bring him here. Good boy. Come on, bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here, Ardo. Bring him here, Ardo. Come on. Come on. This is my good boy right here. Right here. Can I see him? This the one we missed. Good boy, Ardo. Good boy. Now that was damn good work. Wow, he did awesome on that bird. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, Arlo. Okay, okay, Arlo, here. Here, here. Good boy. Good boy. Can't be doing that. GoPro start recording. GoPro start recording. How do we get it out of here, Ardo? The bird. Good boy, Arlo. Get him. Bring him here. Good boy, Ardo. Arlo, fetch. Dead bird. Find dead bird. Ardo, find dead bird. Hey, hey, find dead bird. Arlo, find dead bird. Dead bird, find. Dead bird, find him up. Hunt him up. Dead bird. Arlo, dead bird, find him. Arlo, hunt him up. Dead bird. Fetch here. Dead bird. Fetch here. Dead bird. Come on. Dead bird, find. Dead bird, find. Arlo, dead bird, find. Arlo, dead bird, find. Dead bird, find. Dead bird. Arlo, dead bird. Arlo, dead bird, find. Come on. Hey, Arlo, here. Arlo, dead bird. Arlo, dead bird. Dead bird. Find him. Find dead bird. Really? Get him. Hey, what is this? What is this? That wasn't a... It's right there. Try to get up on the other side of the road. Arlo, dead bird. Arlo, dead bird. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah. Arlo here. Dead bird, find him. Dead bird, find him. Dead bird, find him. Dead bird, bring him here. Good boy, dead bird, bring him here. Dead bird, bring him here. Bring him here, no. Good boy. Good boy. Let me see. Let me see. I know, come on. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, it is a good boy. Whoa. 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 Holy shit. Guess I should stop dicking around and get back to hunting, hey? Up until today, I'd only killed 3. So today we put 7 in the bag. A lot of bird contacts for Arlo. A lot of awesome work by Arlo. Couldn't be happier. So, good day. So, thanks again for turning into Upland Days. We appreciate you following us. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thanks again. We appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next cut.